creator of Cool Kids Can. Do you have kids 4 years and older? Well, if you do and they're still living with you under your roof, then don't go anywhere. Let me ask you this. Do you, as a parent like myself, want your kids to be healthy, happy, true to self, kind, respectful, resilient, confident, have a growth mindset, be and become the best version of themselves as kids in order for them to thrive as adults? Well, if your answer is yes, then stick around so we can empower our next dynamic generation together. After all, our kids are our leaders of tomorrow, and the world is their oyster. It is our responsibility as parents to guide them without overparenting.